Hello imagi-coders and welcome to day 27 of imagi30 Days of Code. My name is Boris and I'm hardware engineer at imagiLabs. For example, I made electronics for your imagi-charm. Today we're gonna be talking about secrets. So let's say sometimes you have a secret that you want to tell it to your friend or maybe a group of friends, but nobody else. So one way to do it is just to whisper it. But that becomes very impractical pretty fast, especially if you're not physically at the same place. Another popular way to send your secret message is to encrypt it. And what that simply means is that you're gonna scramble your text so to a stranger it looks like a rubbish text. But what your friend is going to do is they're gonna reverse that process and get the original message and get what you're going to say. The tool that we are going to use for our encryption is called Caesar Cipher. It is a really simple encryption technique, and this is how it works. In front of me is the English alphabet, and let's say that the word that I want to encrypt and send it to my friend is the word hello. So the first step that I have to do is to choose my shift and then communicate it to my friend. Let's say I choose the shift of 3, and what that means is that we're gonna shift the bottom alphabet to the right for 3 places. So let's do that. Now that we shifted the bottom alphabet 3 places towards right, we have on the top our original alphabet and on the bottom our shifted alphabet. And now we just simply substitute the letters from our word to the shifted one. So H becomes F, E becomes C, L becomes I, and we have 2 of those, and finally O becomes L. And then we have FCIIL that we can send. Then my friend is going to receive the encrypted message, and in order for her to understand what does this mean, she just has to reverse the process that I did. So the shift was 3, I did it towards right. For her to reverse it, she has to do shift of 3 towards left. So let's do that. Make sure to check out how to do this in the code in one of our examples. And now she can perform the same substitution. On the top we have the original alphabet, and on the bottom the one that was shifted by 3 towards left. So let's go. F gives us H, C gives us E, I gives us L, and of course we have 2 I's, and L gives us the letter O. And there we go, we have the original message back. Due to its simplicity, it is really easy for a stranger to figure out your shift and decrypt your message. So this encryption technique is not really considered to be safe. However, I think it's a really fun intro to the world of encrypted messages and a really fun coding challenge. So that is your task for day 27. Use imagiLabs app to make a code and encrypt your message and send it to your friends or imagiLabs. Share your project with the community, and of course don't forget to put the tag for today, day 27. If you have any questions, head over to our Discord server where we can chat and help you. The challenge is almost over, so go ahead, make more projects and share them. Bye!